Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our Allure Beauty Box for November, so let's get in it and check it out. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box. It is $25. You will generally have 6 products. They promise a value of more than $100. I buy mine off Amazon. I will put the link down below if you have any interest, but I have heard recently that they do some customizations, not every month, but sometimes if you sign up through Allure Beauty Box. So if you are interested in customization for one of your products periodically, I would sign up through Allure Beauty Box. Plus, if you sign up through Allure, if they do special boxes, you can get them too. When we get the box open, this is what it looks like. This is the paperwork that will tell us a little bit about each of our goodies inside. And that is what we have. Right on top, we have a little Cetaphil. It is the Cetaphil Healthy Renew Night Cream with purified peptides. This is just a tiny little sample, and it says that like the softest pajamas, this rich cream is a comfort you'll look forward to at the end of the day. It smooths and easily sinks in quickly. There's no residue rubbing off on your pillow here, only smoother, dewier skin by morning. If this was full-sized, it would be $19.95 for 1.7 ounces. We have a quarter of an ounce. So this is just a little bit over $2 worth. Next out, we have another sample. It is the Bleu, what is it? Moisturizing Balm Toner. I don't think I've ever had a toner from Bleu. Oh my gosh, he's so itty bitty and adorable. Look how cute that is. That's probably like one toner use. November has a way of zapping skin of moisture, but Bleu's toner can stop all the dullness. It's packed with hydrating ceramides to flood the skin with moisture for a softer, dewier complexion. $30 if it was 200 ml. We have 5 ml. Oh, that's a lot of math. So that's like 1/40th. I mean, I'm basically John Nash. 1/40th. So this is like between 50 and 75 cents worth. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna show you guys. I won't send it either because it's just a big hole, but a lot of their stuff has licorice root in it, so I'm not gonna use that. Also not sealed. Let me go back and show you the Cetaphil. It is very thick. See how it came out in just its line? Ooh, feels good though. Feels nice and creamy. Almost no scent. My father, sometimes in this box when I get Cetaphil things, I send them over because I got my sensitive skin from my father, and you know, men, they don't want to use all the frou-frou things that we get. I send them over, and he has liked a few, so I will send this over. He probably won't use it at night, but he might like it during the day. And it absorbed nicely and made the back of my hand feel fantastic. Okay, next out we have Natura Ecos Castana Shower Cream. I think that is a shower cream. Let's see what the paperwork says. Using a moisturizer post-shower is the best way to lock in full body hydration, but there are days when you may not want to add even a few minutes to your routine. That's why this body wash is so brilliant. It behaves almost like a lotion, keeping your skin hydrated long after you leave the shower, thanks to its omega-rich Brazil nut oil. $17 for 6.5 ounces. We have 1 ounce. So between $2.50 and $3 worth. These were definitely the samples. We've only got a couple dollars here. I want to see, is it sealed? Oh, it's sealed. Even if we don't put it on, I'd like to know how it smells. Oh, it smells heavenly. You can smell the nut oil in it and the creaminess of it. There was a scent that I used to like at the Body Shop that smelled just like that. I used to get their big pots of body butter, and there was one, was it just the coconut oil butter? Coconut butter? There was one that smelled very much like this, and I liked it a lot. So I will for sure give this a try. Okay, next out I have Amika, the Cure. Love it. I have a full-size one of these. I got in a box, I think maybe Ipsy, and I use it between my wash and my condition. You just put it, it comes at a real point. I will probably put this into the bottle I own. It's very liquidy, and you just kind of put it on your scalp and work it in. And I think when I first read, it said to do it between the two. Let's see what it is. This slick, thin formula takes only 1 minute to work its magic. That is true. It is very thin. I just kind of tilt my head back and do it along my scalp line and let it run back and then drag it through my hair. Just saying. Moisturizing butters and bond-building amino acid get right to work, making hair glossier, softer, and so much easier to brush through. Knots are history. That is all true. It is $30 for 200 ml. We have 30 ml. So this is a little less than $5 worth. I think that's true. The directions on this say, after shampooing and conditioning, drench your hair from roots to tip. The treatment spreads easily. Rinse about a minute afterwards. I feel like I looked it up on their website. I'm doing it again. I feel like I looked it up. I have Mr. iPad on their website and it said to do it between those two things. Okay, well, we're both right. It says if you have coarse hair types, this is where it gets interesting. If you have a coarse hair type, after using your shampoo, then you use the treatment, you leave it on for a minute, you rinse, and you follow with your conditioner, which is what I have been doing. However, it says if you have fine hair types, which is me, after using your shampoo and your conditioner, you use this and leave it on for a minute. So yes, you can either use it after your shampoo and conditioner if you have fine hair like me, or between your shampoo and conditioner if you have coarse or curly hair. So I have been following the coarse and curly rules. I will adjust and it will be perfect. Next out we have Medicate Crystals Retinol 3. I'm not even going to open this. You guys know I can't use retinols. Everything about them makes my skin very mad. And the fake retinols like bakuchiol and stuff, my face just is not a fan. Whether you are a retinol newbie or a diehard fan, this serum's for you. With 0.03% retinaldehyde. That doesn't sound good. The gentle concentration is great if you're giving vitamin A a try for the first time, or if you already love the retinol line's smoothing, glow boosting powers, but don't care for the potential irritation. If you're working to undo the hours you spend outside in the summer sun, this gentle retinol can reverse new dark spots, and it's a great time of year to tackle that project. And this has a $64 value. I will set that aside for a giveaway. Next out, we have Maski Vitamin Infused Scalp Serum. Maybe your scalp is feeling dry and itchy as the weather turns colder, or maybe it could use some TLC after too much blow drying. This silky serum is easy to apply. Its texture is reminiscent of facial serum and soothes the scalp with calming, cozy ingredients like honey, chamomile, and macadamia oil. A subtle herbal scent, plus the fact that you massage it on, makes the whole experience relaxing. Your scalp will feel refreshed and ready for the next session. $72 for 2 ounces. And we have the full $72? $72 for 2 ounces of a hair serum. Yowza. Well, I will absolutely read these ingredients, and if I can use this, I will. You guys know I'm using my Vegamore. It is my shampoo, my conditioner, and I use the Vegamore serum, and I use the Vegamore dry shampoo on day 2 because I'm very heartily sticking to my not washing my hair on day 2. I don't love it, but I will absolutely give a serum a try. Sure, why not? And last out, we have Palm. It is an all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. Ooh, I love cuticle and nail creams. And it's by Palm. How would you say that? Palm. It could be pomme if it's French, because like faux, F-A-U. I do not know. This is what it looks like. It is just a nice beige kind of tube. I'm just trying to come up with a better word for tube there, and I don't have one. Without soft skin and hydrated cuticles, even the freshest crimson manicure won't seem nearly as shiny. To help hands and cuticles look their best, stash this tube of cream in your handbag. Though it feels super lightweight and sinks in as you rub your hands together, nourishing ingredients like sweet almond oil, shea butter, and grapeseed oil go heavy on the hydration, so you're left with smoother hands and a delicate citrus scent. This is full-sized and it has a $28 value. Well, let's try it. When it comes out, ooh, it comes out kind of thin. So I'll just put a little on there and we'll just rub it across all my nails. My cuticles, I could probably do this. I'm a hand washer, so I could probably do this to my cuticles 6 times a day easily. My cuticles get really, really dry. I'm trying to work better on them since I am doing, isn't that kind of cute? Can you see it at all? It's like mushrooms and little deer and stuff. Since I am doing my nails much more with my Maniology because I love it. Oh, it is kind of citrusy. That's kind of nice. I like that. Do they look different than these? Oh, they do. Yeah, especially in the winter. Let me see. This is the one that I did. Of course, ignore that chipped nail. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they definitely look better in real life. Okay, that was our Allure box for November. That was a pretty good box. For November, our samples were the tiny little toner from Believe. He's so cute. I'll read the ingredients, but I'm pretty sure I probably can't use it. The little Cetaphil to try, that's a little night cream. The body wash that smelled so good and is going to leave us nice and creamy. And the Amica, the Cure. I know that I have this and I really like it. I use it periodically, and I'm just going to pour that into my full-sized one. Probably be easier to use. For our full sizes, we have the cuticle cream, the Medicate retinol, and the Maski scalp serum. That is is a nice, although it is technically, I guess, all skincare. Yes, but we have body care, hair care, skin care, cuticle care. It's a nice assortment. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.